I know that, culture and engaging with, your employees and making them feel at home. I mean, anyone that follows you guys on Facebook or LinkedIn, and certainly anyone that's ever been to the organization knows how much you guys are welcoming to new employees. And you send out, whenever someone gets hired, they get a picture sent out to the whole entire company, talks about what they do, which I think is unique and awesome and really helps people feel at home. How do you extend that? Now you've got facilities that I think are under 7 miles away from each other. That's one challenge when you have two and two in the same state within easy driving distance. And then you've got one that's thousands of miles away where their native language is different. How do you bring the OK way to Costa Rica? Do you, or did you do something different?
It was actually, it's easier to create the culture you want from the ground up rather than changing a 100-year-old culture.
Fair enough.
So it's actually that's been easy.
It hasn't really.
Absolutely. I go down about once a quarter,
Okay.
but I'm in correspondence with, the management team. They're almost daily via email. We send an awful lot of people down to Costa Rica. I mean, there's probably at least once a month someone's going down there. And then we also do a lot of cross training. We'll have a lot of people in engineering and tooling, even from administrative and engineering perspective. They'll come up and some people spend 2 months up here, just learning what we're doing and bringing that back. But there's a lot of project management. Like we're doing actually a lot of projects now where we're making some parts. Our Costa Rica facility is making some, and we're putting them together. So they're really kind of ingrained in that. But
So I just want to clarify. So there's projects where there's parts coming from all the different facilities working together to
Yep.
generate one output. So customer orders something and it's this part's made in the Costa Rica facility, this part potentially in Berlin or New Britain or processed or what have you, and then it goes out to the customer. So
Yep.
true teamwork across the facilities.
absolutely leveraging what everybody can do for the best value proposition for the customer.